eat it, so I'll have to wash my hands again.
1 teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Hold on.
Poor daddy.
Alright. Ready?
Open your mouth, make sure you don't have any water. Do it.
How long you can go without having any water?
Get him some water out.
Oh. Whoops. There's your water right there. Do you still fit in your mouth? You can't swallow it.
Damn. Hurts.
Where is it?
It was mine.
Let me see your hand.
He's crying.
Still on your tongue.
Still.
Okay, I guess so.
You saw it.
Okay, I want to do it now.
Oh.
I don't know.
How long did it take me?
2 minutes. I started videoing 2 minutes.
That's tough. That hurts the body.
Whoa.
Ready?
Don't try to.
Get her some water.
Get her
Oh,
some
right there's the water.
No, right there is mine over there.
Ready?
That cold water.
So you can do it.
This one, Tiff?
Get the trash.
Go.
Tiff, this one?
All of it. You have to go.
You're
Right on the top of your... Oh, that hurt.
Is it like spicy?
No, it's not. Just go.
It hurts.
It's really good.
Do it.
Drink some water. Rinse it out. What's up, Tiff?